Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. To make a bootable USB using the Rufus tool, open your browser. Search for Rufus for PC, that is R-U-F-U-S. The official website is given on the screen. Click on it. Scroll down and look for the download section. The recent version during the recording of this video is 4.9. You can download 64-bit version and 32-bit version. Both standard and portable are available. Click on the .exe file you want to download. Once the download is completed, run the exe file. It is a small file. The first option is the device. Select the USB drive that you want to make bootable. Let me show you. Insert your USB, and once it is detected, you can see in this case it is Kingston USB and the total size is 14.4 gigabytes. It is automatically detected here. Now the second option is to select the ISO file that you want to burn to this USB. I have a Windows 11 ISO file on C drive. Let me go back to Rufus. Click on Select C drive and then locate the Windows 11. The partition schemes are GPT and MBR. Depending on your operating system and settings, select one. In the Format Options section, you can change the volume label. The file system is also given. You can select FAT32 or NTFS. And click on Start. Click on OK. It is giving you a warning that all your data on this USB stick will be erased. Click on OK, and the writing process is started. And now it is making the bootable USB. If you want to check the details of which files are being copied, click on this icon. A small window on the right side opens, which shows the details of each file. And it is done. Let me check the USB in File Explorer. And here it is. Thank you.